Hello, Katrin here with European Papercrafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have some fun beach cards for you, so let's get started. In today's video I would like to share with you the Studiolight paper and die cut pack Summer at the Beach. And in this die cut pack you have 8 designer papers and 24 images, so you can make cards. There are these die cut images. All you have to do is just push them out and then layer them so that you get these 3D embellishments. And I'm just going to do a quick flip through, so you have always a paper and then on each of these sheets 2 or 3 embellishments, actually 3 embellishments. So these make beautiful summer cards, also cards great for, you know, boys and for men at the beach. So I thought this was a very nice paper pack. I always have some problems making cards for men, but you know, some of these images definitely work for masculine cards. Okay, and then in the back, of course, you have them all at once. So you have the 8 papers and then the 8 sheets with 3 die cut embellishments that you can layer. So a total of 24 of those embellishments. So here are the cards I made. Now this is my first card, and of course you can see I just used 1 embellishment. The background paper, I love these wood planks, look so real. And I just had this little medallion greeting here. These bubbles here, these are actually stickers, and I'm gonna put them in the info box below so you can find them if you're interested in them. And then I just added 1 glitter strip, and that's it. Here's my card. Used a regular white card blank for my first card. My second card, I used a square card that I had left over. This is really a very old card that I bought at some time. It was a card pack, so I had 3 cards left and I finally used them up with some background paper. And this cute little bird actually came from a sticker sheet. And here is the sticker sheet that has the lighthouse and then some other nautical equipment, and then of course a couple of these birds. So these are Jolie stickers, and I have a few in my store if you're interested. There are 11 pieces on here. And this little straw piece I also had in my stash. Not even sure where that came from. I want to say that was some form of packaging, but just see what you have in your stash, because you know this is the beach and you can find all kinds of things on the beach. So I added some glitter here on the embellishment, and then beach please is a stamp, so I stamped this greeting. Then the next card again is one of these leftover cards, the square card. And same thing, I just added a couple of the birdies here from this sheet. So here they are, see there's the bird, and I just added it. And then this beautiful lighthouse came in the pack. I had a greeting, you light up my days. This was a greeting that I had. By chance I found that in my stash, so of course that worked well. So here is my second card, and my third one I used the beach please again, the stamp that I have. But aren't these cute summery cards? They're so happy, you know, those are what I call happy cards. And even the what is it, the lobster or something, it's right down here, and another bird. So that all comes from this sticker sheet. Yeah, I love those cards. They came out really nice. And here I just added a little bit of stickles to those water drops that were already on the design. And then my last card is this card here with the light tower from my sticker sheet. So actually that sticker sheet kind of helped me through all my cards with just a few pieces that are on there. And I had pieces left because I don't think I used the Lifesaver here. But on this one, I also used the little sailboat that comes on here. So yeah, that's a cute little sheet. The sailboat and of course the light tower. And then these sparklets that is called Barefoot Beach. And I just added a few pieces, and it looks to me like you would walk on the beach and just pick up what you find, like, you know, beach glass or little rocks, and this is what it looks like to me. So here they are. And the greeting I had, this was an ephemera piece that I had around for the longest time, so just cut it and cut a little banner there and added it. But the rest is all just arranged from this beautiful die cut pack and the sticker sheet and my sparklets. I hope you liked my quick cards. If so, please leave me a thumbs up and a comment in the box. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please subscribe. I would love to have you in my crafting family. But this is all I have for you today. Please stay or get well, and let's be kind to each other. Thank you so much for spending time with me, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.